of China not retreating. Yan sa international law, gano'n yan. Ikaw yung umalis, ibig sabihin, hindi iyo. At bakit umalis? Itong si Secretary Albert, usap ng Amerikano, takot ng gera. Takot na. Sana hinayaan na lang nila. Ang totoo niya, ayaw ko lang magyabang. Kung mangyari uli yan, ako, I'm putting China to, I do not want any quarrel. But in a situation like that, if repeated in my administration, I think there will going to be a, taka lang, hindi ako alis. Tsaka kung may barko ako dyan ngayon, yung Coast Guard nandyan, hindi rin ako mag-alis. I will not. Marami, sabi ng Secretary Lorenzana, mga resupply natin, yung mga Coast Guard natin, if they are driven away, I would tell them to stay put. I am addressing myself to the Chinese government. We want to remain friends. We want to share whatever it is. Sinabi ko naman sa inyo sa Chinese government, I'm not so much interested now in fishing. I don't think there's enough fish really to worry about. But when we start to mine, when we start to get whatever it is in the bowels of the China Sea sa ating oil, dyan na ako. Then but by that time, I will send my ships there. I will send my gray ships there to state a claim. Yan masiguro ninyo. Pag kinuha na yung oil, kung anong mga nickel dyan, precious stones, that would be the time, because that is the time that we should act on it. Hindi ngayon na yung pahabol-habulan lang dyan. Ano ba naman? Habulin yung isang reporter na Ako, totoo yan. Pag mag-umpisa na sila ng drill ng oil dyan, sabihin ko talaga sa China, is that part of our agreement? Because if it is not part of our agreement, I'm going to also to drill my oil there. If you own it, I own it. I do not want to quarrel, but that is how. Noon ko pa sinabi yan. Yung pagkatapos na nag-usap kami ni President Xi Jinping, na sinabi ko na I will get my oil also. Sabi niya, please don't. We just leave it that way. In the meantime, so because, nandyan yung mga cabinet members. Anyo, kasi the chief of staff ko pa noon. Dinala ko kayo para may mga living witnesses ako na may ginawa. Pati yung mga military na nagdududa, wala akong ginawa. Minuka ko talaga. Andiyan kayo, Jar Anyo, Jar Esperon, si Delvin. Sinabi ko na, one day, I will drill my oil there and mine whatever is ours. Sabi niya, Secretary, si ES, nandyan sila lahat. Sinabi ko, ngayon kung habulan na ng maghabulan lang sila dyan, sige, bigyan ko sila ng 5 Coast Guard. Habol-habulan na nila dyan. Maglaro sila. Kung sino ang mas mabilis. Ngayon, kung pagdating na magdating na yung mga drill ng oil dyan, mahirap na yan. Yan ang, noong ko pa sinabi yan, sasabihin ko ngayon, ulit, baka nakalimutan. Hindi nakinig si Carpio eh. Yung papel-papel mo, wag mo kong isali dyan. Walang mangyari dyan. Ano, you know, the Chinese government will just give you a finger. Wala kang, hindi mo matakot yung mga yan. Because they firmly believe na kanila talaga yan. Kontra sa atin, na it is also our considered opinion that it is ours. Yun. Sana maintindihan, kinig lahat. Yan si Carpio, you just huwag ka na sumali sa politiko, wala kang alam dyan, para kang buang mga yung grupo mo. Puro tinta mo pag eleksyon, ba, malampaso. Wala man kayo ginawa para Pilipino. Anong ginawa ninyo? Puro papel. What have you done sa Pilipino? O kami? Tignan mo ang airport ng buong Pilipinas. Tignan mo yung highway ni... Tignan mo ang DILG. Wala nang reklamo. Wala nang corruption. DSWD, ganon. Tapos magtanong kayo, bakit military? Hindi naman lahat military. Gusto ko lang yung talagang matapang na sinusunod. Kaya ko nilagayan dyan mga military. Because I believe na yung mga tao na yan, mas civilian man o military, talagang nasusunod kasi humihirit talaga. Sabi na puro military na, civilian na yan eh. Naghirap na yun, tapos na yung pagka-military nila. Ano ba naman yan? Dilpin, Lorenzana. Gaya ko, patanda na ako. You think that he would still tinker with kung ano-anong mga revolutionary government, revolutionary government? Kalokohan yan. What do you expect to prove?